Hi everyone. If you're planning to take SAT essay test, you need to get familiar with the two prompts that come with this test in order to save a great deal of time. The first prompt essentially includes three elements of persuasion most authors employ in order to present a compelling argument. Now, let's take a look at the first prompt. As you read the passage below, consider how Jimmy Carter uses evidence such as facts or examples to support claims, reasoning to develop ideas and to connect claims and evidence, and stylistic or persuasive elements such as word choice or appeals to emotion to add power to the ideas expressed. Now, what students should keep in mind is that time is precious and they should use their time effectively. Considering the fact that this prompt is the same in all essays, in order to save time, they need to get themselves familiar with these three elements of persuasion so that they would skip the elements to get right to the passage itself. Now, let's take a look at the second prompt. Write an essay in which you explain how Jimmy Carter builds an argument to persuade his audience that the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge should not be developed for industry. In fact, you don't need to read the rest. The part which is put for you in red is enough because it's going to give you the main idea of the passage. In the next video, I'm going to get through the components of the first prompt in more details. Thanks for watching this video. Please keep in mind to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.